everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Summer has started and the one thing that we all crave in summer is something cold. So I'm starting this new series on my channel where I will be sharing summer related recipe once a week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those videos. And I cannot start this series other than the lassi recipe. So in this video, I will be sharing 5 different lassi recipes with you guys. And if you're from Ahmedabad, I'm sure you guys must be familiar with the Girish Lassi. Their meaty lassi is out of this world. Every time I come to Ahmedabad, I always make sure that I drink that lassi. So do try my meaty lassi recipe because it is exactly same as the Girish Lassi. And of course, all these other lassi are so yummy. So let's go ahead and start. So first one, I'm making sweet lassi or the Punjabi Lassi. So for that, here I have 1 cup plain yogurt. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this until it is in smooth consistency. So for that, you can use the wire whisk. If not, you can use the hand blender also. So here, as you can see, there is no any lumps in it, as well as the consistency is very smooth. So to adjust this consistency, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of cold water. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. You can use regular sugar, but that will take more time to dissolve. And sugar, you can adjust it according to your taste. So this is the 1 tablespoon, and this is the second. Now again, I'll go ahead and mix everything properly. Now you can flavor this however you like it. If you want, you can add just the pinch of cardamom, but we are not big fan of cardamom flavor. So I'm gonna add just a few drops of rose essence. So you just want to take just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything one more time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and serve this. Now this is totally optional, but if you have a homemade malai, you can add that. If not, if you are here in the state, I'm sure you can find this at your Indian grocery store. So this is also same as that homemade malai. So I'm gonna add just a little bit on top. I'm also gonna garnish this with some sliced almond and some chopped pistachio. And there you go, our first meaty lassi or the Punjabi lassi is all done. So next lassi I'm making is the mango lassi, which is everyone's favorite. So for that, here in a jar, I'm gonna take 1 cup yogurt. Whenever you make the lassi, you do want to make sure that the yogurt that you are using, it is thick, it's not sour. Into that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. So either you can use the fresh mango for this, if not, mango pulp is fine too. So here I'm adding 1/2 cup mango pulp. To add some flavor in this mango lassi, you can either use just the pinch of cardamom powder, but as I mentioned earlier, we are not big fan of that. So here what I did is I took a little bit of saffron string, just add milk in it, let it soak for about 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of this milk so it will be flavorful. And now we're gonna go ahead and blend everything. So here, as you can see, consistency is perfect also. I'm gonna garnish this with some pistachio as well as the almond. And there you go, guys, our mango lassi is all done. Next one, I'm making Kesar Pista Lassi. So for that, I do have 1 cup of yogurt here. Into that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. And here I soak about a tablespoon pista in cold water for about 15-20 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna add. And here I have saffron, which I soak it in milk. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blend all this. Now we'll go ahead and serve this. I'm gonna add some malai on top. Next, I'm gonna add some chopped pista and few strings of saffron. So here our Kesar Pista Lassi is all done. Next, I'm making banana lassi. So for that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of yogurt. Into that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Next, I'm gonna add 1 banana. And here I soak cashew in water for about 10 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna add. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. I'm gonna garnish this with some chopped cashew. And there you go, guys. Our banana lassi is all done. Last but not the least, I'm making avocado lassi. So for that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Into that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Next, I'm adding 1 ripe avocado. I'm also adding few mint leaves. Also gonna add just a little bit water. And that's it. We'll go ahead and blend everything. Garnish this with the mint leaves on top, and that's it, guys. Our healthy avocado lassi is all done. So this is it, friends. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.